We are back with another one from Vshow hair. I hope you guys are ready. This is a super easy throw on and go unit. Now I'm going to see you mammy jammies on the other side.
You need her.
I know you about that life.
Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am like literally on the go today. So like I'm doing 2 wigs really quick. This is the last installment, I think, of my wear and go wig. So I'm kind of last 2 installments. I'm filming 2 videos really quickly. But yeah, I'm back with another one from Vshow hair. So I'm your girl Intisar Eleanor. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. I'm back. I'm on a wear and go wig tour, okay? Like I'm on tour. And every time you go on tour, sometimes you gotta like bring it on back and chill. So if I could get this out the box, I can show you what wig we got. Okay. Only required me to push it, just so you guys know. Vshow Hair so graciously provided us with a Water Wave 16-inch glueless wig. I'm actually very excited about this. This unit is that 6 by 4.75 that we've been doing all tour, okay? Really, really beautiful out the pack. Let me touch the hair. We're going to touch the hair, see if she crunching much. This is soft, y'all. This is very soft. So look at this unit. That is the actual lace, all pre-plucked and stank and nasty. Lord Jesus. That's beautiful. This unit on VSHR.com is going for $177. Okay? So, not too bad. This is a 16-inch bob. She is a 6 by 4.75 lace closure. Getting so this might be a little bit shorter. This look a little shorter. Hold on, let me check. Oh, this is a 4 by 6. Different. That's very different. 6 by 4 and 4 by 6 are different. So the 4 is in the length. Okay, I was trying to figure out what is different about this one versus the width. Look at how beautiful that is. Okay, so she has no combs or anything, just an adjustable band. Which means we're going to see if you can tussle in her, how secure she is, okay? $477. I do think that is relatively inexpensive, maybe. We did get some lashes, a wig cap, and, oh, a Vshow hairband. So I'm going to shut my meme tape mouth, throw this wig on, I'm going to see you guys on the other side.
So this is a quintessential wear and go install, okay, by Vshow hair. Check out the Mammy Tatum lace. I'm going through with my Makeup by Mario foundation. It is liquid, and just patting that in so I can blend that lace out. I'm not going to do too much to this unit. She did not shed. She did not tangle. Mother came out the pack raring, ready to go, okay? Vshow hair did not come to play with this one. I'm just going to go on through using my Andy straightening comb and define the part a little bit, but I'm going to wear her natural, fresh out the pack, okay? I'm gonna shut my Mammy Tap mouth and see you all on the other side.
Okay, so this is her done. I really don't think she needs anything else. She actually looks perfect. Like perfect. It's $177. She took me 5 minutes to do. I did use my Makeup by Mario foundation. I'm finding that I prefer the liquid foundation around the perimeter versus the powder. Okay, so I'll do the powder in the middle, the liquid around the perimeter to give me a more seamless look. And I'm telling you, this is stunning. I really wanted to put on earrings for you guys. This unit really didn't shed at all because I didn't do much to her, because I could just throw her on and go. She is big head friendly. I would not say that she feels hella secure, but that's not so, oh yes, earrings, but that's not something a little bit of bobby pin won't fix. Like, throw some bobby pins in there. She's 16 inches. The texture of the hair is beautiful. At $177 to me, okay, it didn't come with combs. Like, throw some bobby pins in her, you'll be fine. Let me turn around so you can see the back of the hair. She's giving, right? Real love, sex, and magic. I love the length of this. I think this this is I love the length of this. I'm getting older, so the 30-inch bust downs, as much as I love to see the girls wearing them, it's just not for me anymore. Like, I just don't feel the same kind of zhuzh with them, the same kind of draw to them. So this is really dope. This is really dope. So let's take a look at what the parting space looks like here. So you got a little bit parting space that way. You do have some room to work with, okay? Just in case you want to do like a side part or something of that nature. I don't even really want to put any mousse on her because I think she looks perfect. That's my truth. I think she looks perfect. I don't think she needs a lot. So I don't know how much more I'm going to say about this unit, except for check out VSHowhair.com. This unit is like really, really beautiful. She's safe, she's secure, she's pre-plucked, which we love that for the girlies who do not know what they're doing. A pre-plucked situation is everything, okay? And she easy to throw on. Like, you don't need to have any skills. You do not need to have any skills to throw this wig on. Grab her, okay? You need her. So if you have not already, I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. I think I'm gonna wet her just so you guys can see what she looks like. She doesn't need to be wet, but I'm gonna give you the other option. A little bit just so you guys can see the juiciness of the curls. Take a look at that. Ooh, what's on my shoulder? Ugh. So this is the water wave curl, okay? Really sexy unit. She does come all the way, I think, to 28-30 inches. So this is just an alternative. But I'm kind of feeling the shortness of this. So let me turn around so you guys can see the back. And then I'm going to leave y'all the hell alone. Easy vacation, love, sex, summertime fine. If you have not already, do me a favor, bust down. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Subscribe to this Mimi Tatman channel. Let me know how y'all feeling about this tour through Wear and Go Wigs. I'm obsessed, okay? And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.